Today I'm going to teach you a new way to find untapped six-figure products for you to market quickly and easily in 2019. Let's go. Hey everyone, what's going on? So the tool is called eSniper, eSniper.com, okay? And it's a new tool that I've sort of been using. It's got a 3-day trial for $1, so it's definitely worth having a look. And the reason I like these is that, you know, we've got all these other methods to find product research. I've had a lot of people ask me, what apps would I use for product research? There's a lot of them out there. I've just chosen this one because they're all much of a muchness. And as you can see here, we've got 4 categories: Aliexpress, Shop Sniper, Viral Sniper, and Insta Sniper. The Insta Sniper, from what I see, is still being worked on, but if we have a look under Aliexpress, which is what I'm under now, you can see we've got a ton of products. And you just go off by what catches your attention. So if we can have a look here, we've got the amount of sales today, yesterday, 3 days, 30 days. So we can see how well this product has been selling. And that's why it's ranked in descending order. So what we can see right now is, if we have a look here, this Bohemian Retro, whatever that is, crystal flower jewelry is doing really well. And so we can see here that, you know, it was added a few months back. It's had a huge amount of orders. Obviously, a lot of people adding it to wish list. We've got good quality images. Okay, so you could use that image. All right. You can see the daily amount of sales and wish lists. And so you can usually see that, like, it did die out for a period here, but you can see it's done consistently well. And we can see here that over the course of a month has done pretty well as well. And you can see the amount of figures. So when you see this many, these types of items, it's highly likely that there are people drop shipping this. Because I know for a fact that if we have a look here at some of these and just stop it on it, that I'm pretty sure a number of these, like Wishbone, is that what they're defined as? Anyway, and they're definitely trending from like large brand ones like Tiffany & Co. and Pandora and all them. But we can, as you can see here, what I like is that you can change the categories as well. You can change the different niches. It's pretty much got all the niches you can imagine. Actually, what? Wait. Sorry, this is a bit off topic, but I saw dating. I want to see what's under dating. Why? Okay, well, I want to find that. I saw it, but now I can't find it. Damn it. I would have been curious to see what's under dating. Oh, there we go. Let's see what's under dating. So it's just jewelry. No, it's disappointing. Anyway, so what my point is that you can change all these different categories. You can add in as many as you like. If you leave it by default, it's going to show you the top ones just in general, which is exactly what we're after for most of us, because most of us are running general stores. If we have a general store, if we have a look at this product, red transparent silicone double-sided tape sticker. Okay, so we can see that this is actually trending right now. Now, apparently it's died. Oh, sorry. The reason that it's saying it's died out is because of the date of recording this. It just hasn't updated the data. So this is actually a really heavily trending item that you could probably find on Facebook. So if I were to put in this, because the whole goal that I want to teach you is to find unsaturated products. Okay, it's all about now really finding untapped, unsaturated products. So we can see that we've found it. Someone's already started marketing it. So if we put maybe change it a little bit, maybe that's a bit too specific. Silicone tape. Yeah, okay. So maybe this isn't the best example in the world, but you sort of get the idea. What I normally do is just have a look on there and always just copy the title. And I'll have a look there. We can see that it has a ton of orders though. And the cool thing as well is that you can actually have a look at the product on Aliexpress, look at the reviews, get some feedback there as well, because that's all we really need. And it tells us where there's ePacket and obviously Aliexpress standard. But if we keep scrolling, we're going to find other products. I'm sure there's a number that you've seen, some you haven't seen. Okay, so I just want people to know that, again, the items that I recommend are items that aren't fashion. And these items right now are very heavily trending in terms of these items that are meant to improve your skin. So this beauty mini eye massage. So let's see if I can find this, because this is updated daily. I've not seen this list. Just trying to be honest here. So we can see here that a few people have marketed it, and again, not much success. Maybe it's just, again, the wording. So maybe just mini eye massage. Okay. Again, not hitting gold here with this. But what I wanted to add as well is that when I look for winning products, I look for something that, as much as skin products, there's a million of them now, are extremely good and can make a lot of sales from. It's directly related to health, and I would not want to sell health items to people if I don't know it's actually an item that's not going to have some adverse effect on their health. Personally, I just don't think that that's good business practice to do that. So if we have a look at this one as well, this is the type of item I like. So cleaning car windshield glass. Okay, so actually that is not an item I would market as well. I do apologize. All right, so mango removal pregnancy scars. Anyway, I always love looking at these items. You find some electronics is an item that I would type market. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. So my point is that the good thing with this is you can put in things like your votes, the order amount, the price, the niches, the categories, and the countries. So again, I mainly market to the US. So if I was looking on AliSniper and I looked at top countries, we can actually have a look and see on Aliexpress which countries are actually buying what product. So it just does that based on where the orders are from. So we can see that this item here, candy color nylon rubber bands, okay, it seems to be some item that people seem to really like. It'd be a bit hard to market, but the point is that if it's logical that if we're seeing that in the United States that this product is doing well on AliExpress, well then it's logical to say that in the United States through our store it would also do well through Facebook. So we can also find all these other items, a lot of jewelry and a lot of other items that you can quickly and easily find. Okay, I just wanted to present this one to you. And then you've got your shipping is, I always would have a look, try and, e-pack it at minimum. If you're scaling, then obviously you're going to be looking at things like private suppliers. So you can even go to the degree of if they have an actual video. So, you can get the video. It's not illegal. It's not immoral, whatever. Or you can get it from Facebook, but you can get it straight. This means that you can get it straight from the actual AliExpress page, which might have some benefits. Because this is pretty narrow in terms of what I've set, that's why we don't see many products. But if we move on, we can have a look at also ShopSniper. So we can have a look and see that ShopSniper when it loads. So in the ShopSniper, which directly connects to Shopify stores and swipes their best winners, you can have a look and see what's doing well. Now, what we can see here is that apparently Fortnite does very well. And just, I would not sell those products. But if we untick this, okay, all right, and let it match some products. So we're going to see stores that are ranked quite high. So we can rank again by each of these columns by the amount of revenue. So we can see here that this store is doing $4 million in revenue a month. Okay, so this is a branded dropship, probably a branded store. We can see here that a lot of these will be branded fashion stores and various things along those lines. But you can get some ideas. You can be a bit more specific and narrow down and try and, again, look at your niches, look at best selling and see what works well. But this isn't as helpful as the AliSniper. The AliSniper I find is better because, again, a lot of these you're just going to see is jewelry and especially fashion. And I do not recommend selling branded items. I will say that many times, but I just do not recommend selling it as much as I see people doing it. Do not do it. So if we have a look here at Viral Sniper, this is the one that's really cool. These ones, obviously, as the name suggests, is viral opportunity for us. This is a new feature that they're still expanding. Again, do not sell branded products at all. But if we see here, like these magnetic socks, this has viral capacity from what I see. It's got a cool picture. It catches my attention. Research that these magnets increase the production of amino acids, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? You can see the amount of orders, the votes, the reviews, the total rating. The links feature is admittedly that's still being worked on, and they give you interests. Okay, so if you're interested in interests, though, I do recommend going and watching my other videos on that, where I give you a strategy on that. This is purely to try and find products that might be of interest to it. So if we have a look here at magnetic socks, okay, and we have a look at videos. Okay, so we can see that this is a relatively new product that people are trying to market. If we have a look under posts as well, all right, we're seeing that some people are getting a bit of, a few comments in that. May not be a massive winner, but we can see that people are trying, and it's definitely worth a try. But you've got a ton of different ideas here that we can, you can just load more and more and more products, heaps and heaps of ideas. You're probably seeing this one. This is a highly trending item at the moment. Items are like pineapple slices. This, admittedly, between you and I've seen this item a bit. I'm not sure I like this one because I think I actually read that people were putting it on and they were trying to tear it off, and it was actually tearing off their eyebrow. So that's why any skin healthcare items I don't like let's say it's like that, a back brace, that's different again, of course, that's not going to have that type of effect. But just keep that in mind. I want to teach you all that, we want to get sales, but it's really important that you get sales that's not going to lead you to a lot of refunds, a lot of chargebacks, and a lot of grief, because trust me, it'll happen really quick. Okay. But as you can see, we can just see tons and tons and tons of items. This item catches my attention. I quite like that item, the 2-axis welding clamp. That's for tradies, people that are into DIY. That is definitely a great, neat item that helps people to do their job much easier. This item's a want item, but I like this. Flying pig, it's funny. It gives me a laugh, and people would buy that. I would buy it. Watermelon windmill slicer. I mean, look at that. So you got tons and tons and tons of ideas of these other viral products you've probably never seen that you can use. Like, that's cool. That's cool. And this is probably the Ali Sniper and the Viral Sniper are the two main ones that I recommend using, as I said. So it's got a 3-day trial. There's a link down below as well. That is an affiliate link, keep in mind. But I just wanted to present this, guys, to you so that you can understand that this is a good tool. There's a lot out there. They all have their pros and cons. This is just the one that I use because a number of people have been asking me, what do I use for product research? I use a culmination of factors. And if you want to use an app and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg, then this is it for you. After the trial, it is $20 a month, which is completely inexpensive. Okay, and it gives you a ton of value, and they're adding more and more to it. Okay, and that concludes today's video on how to find 6-figure untapped products quickly and easily in 2019. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Comment down below, crush it to go on the chance to win one of 2 15-minute coaching calls with myself, Ricky Hayes. Students have been absolutely loving it, and congratulations to today's winners. Your names will be showing up on screen right now. If you do want to get yourself eSniper, there is a link down below. To repeat, it is an affiliate link that's completely up to you. Just wanted to give you that as an additional option for you as well. Don't forget, there's additional links down below, heaps of free stuff for you. Okay, so there's cheat sheets. I send you heaps of free other stuff. Check out my other videos, jump in on them, learn more, learn. This whole journey is about learning. Whether you're at my stage, whether you're even far beyond me, we're all about learning, okay, guys? So I highly recommend to check out my other videos, jump in on them. It's going to teach you a lot. And don't forget to have a lovely day, to take care, and goodbye.